Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to get started with JigxForms and build AI-powered mobile forms in just minutes. We'll cover how to sign up, create your first form, modify a form with AI, share a form with your team, submit a form on your mobile device. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your account. Before you begin, you'll need two things: a JigxForms account and the JigxForms mobile app installed on your iOS or Android device. Head to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store, search for JigxForms, and download the app. Next, open your browser and go to the JigxForms site. The URL is shown below. Select Sign In, then click the Sign Up link. You can create your account using your Google account, Apple account, or an email address. Follow the prompts, enter your full name, and select Create Account. You'll receive a one-time verification code by email. Enter the OTP, create your password, and select Continue. You're now signed in. A personal workspace is automatically created for you, including 3 free users, so you're ready to start building and sharing forms. Step 2. Create your first AI form. Creating a form is as simple as telling the AI what you need. You can type a prompt describing your form, upload a PDF, upload an image, or take a photo of an existing paper form. If you're looking for inspiration, JigxForms also includes a collection of sample business form prompts to help you get started. Let's create a site inspection form. Simply enter the prompt and let the AI do the work. As your form is being generated, you'll see its progress in real time. If the AI needs additional information, it'll ask a few follow-up questions before continuing. Within moments, your fully functional mobile form is ready. Step 3. Now open the form on the JigxForms mobile app by scanning the QR code displayed on screen. Sign in using the same account you created earlier. Open your new form, complete the fields, capture photos if required, collect signatures, and submit the form. Your submission is instantly available in the browser. Step 4. Share your form. Now it's time to share your form with your team. Back in the Forms Builder, select your form. Open the Share With menu and choose Share Form. Enter the person's name and email address. You can also choose whether they should have creator permissions, allowing them to build forms within your workspace, or simply submit forms that you've shared with them. The existing users list displays everyone you've previously invited through Workspace User Management, making it easy to share forms again. Step 5. Submit as a shared user. Let's log in as another user to see what the experience looks like. After accepting the invitation and creating a free JigxForms account, they'll immediately see the shared form in the mobile app. They can open it, complete it, and submit data straight from their device. It's that simple. Step 6. Modify your form with AI. Forms evolve over time, and updating them is just as easy as creating them. Simply tell the AI what you'd like to change. For example, you might ask it to add a new section, include extra fields, change the layout, or update branding. The AI makes the changes instantly, and the updated form is automatically published to everyone you've shared it with. No rebuilding, no redeployment, and no app updates required. And that's it. You've learned how to create your account, build your first AI-powered mobile form, capture data on your mobile device, share forms with your team, and update them instantly using AI. You're now ready to start building with JigxForms.